And there was another drug bust by the police, this time in Clarendon. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
About 1,800 pounds of ganja were found by the Marine Police in Colon Bay off the coast of Clarendon Wednesday. The drugs were taped, stuffed in white bags and hidden in the mangroves. Head of the Marine Division, Superintendent Robert Walker, says the ganja has an estimated street value of $13 million.
The team from the Old Harbour Bay Marine Patrol, they were in the Portland Bight area. They went into an area known as Colon Bay, where in the swamp they observed some white knitted bags. Upon further investigation, these bags had vegetable matter resembling ganja.
No arrests were made. The police say the area is highly frequented by criminals in the narco guns trade because of its location. The coast off Rocky Point is swampy and is often used to hide contraband and drugs from law enforcement.
We are aware of where the hiding and the hold up can take place because they believe that we don't have any vessels that can go in because they think we are using only the bigger vessels, but we will continue to go anywhere we believe that they are.
Relentlessly.
Relentlessly.
This is the second major drug bust in less than 24 hours. The other was in Coral Gardens in St. James, where officers found cocaine, ganja and stacks of cash in Jamaican dollars and foreign currency. That's the largest haul in recent times, according to one police source. There were other major drug busts earlier this month. In Whitehorse, Westmoreland, ganja worth $40 million was found in a boat. Cocaine valued at over $300 million was found hidden in a secret compartment in a boat hauled from the Pedro Banks. The police say the finds are expected to put a dent into the illegal operations, and they're also urging the public to report suspicious activities. And as it relates to the Pedro Banks case,
that investigation is continuing and we hope to make a breakthrough in short order.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.